Have you ever seen the manufacturing process of salt from seawater? Huge amount of seawater is collected into shallow ponds where most of the water is evaporated in presence of sunlight, leaving salt as a residue. Here we can observe that a phenomenon called evaporation is being used to produce salt. So, how does this evaporation works? Consider a liquid in a small open container. After some time, some amount of the liquid at the surface part turns into vapor and escapes from the liquid. This process is called evaporation. So, to define, the process of escaping of molecules from the surface of a liquid at any temperature is called evaporation. It is a cooling process. It is a surface phenomenon. Factors affecting evaporation. Consider two containers full of liquid with difference in their surface areas. As the surface area of first container is more amount of liquid particles evaporate when compared to its counterpart with less surface area. Consider the same liquid be spread out on the ground. Here, the evaporation is more than the previous scenarios due to large surface area. So, we can conclude that evaporation of a liquid increases with its surface area. Whenever we dry clothes after washing, we can observe that clothes under sunlight are dried quicker when compared to those under shade. So, we can conclude that evaporation increases with temperature. In the same way, we also observe that clothes when kept under the fan are dried quicker when compared to those not under the fan. So, we can conclude that evaporation increases with wind speed. In the same way, we also observe that clothes get dried slowly in humid conditions. Thus, we can conclude that evaporation of a liquid decreases with the increase of humidity. Points to remember. The process of escaping of molecules from the surface of a liquid at any temperature is called evaporation. It is a cooling process. Evaporation of a liquid increases with the increase of surface area of the liquid or temperature or wind speed. Evaporation of a liquid decreases with the increase of humidity.